Most people think the future is just the present, but with more stuff. They think if you have one typewriter, progress means building 100 typewriters. This is a mistake. This is called horizontal progress. It is copying things that work. It is going from 1 to n, but real power comes from vertical progress. This is going from 0 to 1. It means doing something nobody else has ever done. If you take a typewriter and build a word processor, you have gone from 0 to 1. Here is the brutal truth about business. Doing what we already know how to do takes the world from 1 to n. But every time we create something new, we go from 0 to 1. If you are just copying a business model, you aren't an entrepreneur. You are just a franchise. We are taught that competition is healthy, that it is the essence of capitalism. Peter Thiel says this is a lie. Capitalism and competition are opposites. Capitalism is about accumulating capital. Competition is about eroding profits until nobody has any capital left. Look at the restaurant business. It is perfect competition. If you open a burger joint, you have to fight for every customer. Your margins are razor thin. You are fighting a war where the only prize is survival. Now look at Google. Google is a monopoly. They don't compete. They own the market. Because they have no competition, they can set their own prices. They print money. Monopolies can afford to innovate. Competitors are too busy trying to pay the rent. But here is the twist. Monopolies lie. To avoid regulation, Google will tell you, we aren't a monopoly. We are just a small player. Conversely, failing businesses lie to make themselves look unique. A struggling restaurant says, we are the only British food truck in Palo Alto. Don't fall for this. Never try to get 1% of $1 billion market. That is a crowded room. You will get crushed. Instead, find a tiny niche. A market so small, nobody else cares about it. Dominate it completely. Own 90% of it. Then, and only then, expand outward. Business schools love the first mover advantage. They tell you that if you are first, you win. This is dangerous nonsense. Being first just means you are the one who makes all the mistakes. MySpace was first. Facebook was last. Magnavox was first. Apple was last. You don't want to be the first mover. You want to be the last mover. The last mover is the one who makes the definitive version of a product. You don't need to start the race. You just need to be the one crossing the finish line when the clock stops. Stop competing. Competition is for losers. Competition is a struggle for scraps. Monopoly is the condition of every successful business. Don't copy. Don't fight. Create. Go from 0 to 1. If you want to escape the crowd and build a mind capable of vertical progress, subscribe to the Distilled Mind. We don't just summarize, we extract the weaponized truth. Class dismissed.